Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forward from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 5th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. While we saw stocks close significantly lower today, this all a byproduct of the tensions that are growing regarding the North Korean situation after that intercontinental ballistic missile test they had on the weekend. The Dow today closing lower by 234 points. Now, stocks did try to rally late in the day into the close, and you can see on the S&P 500 made back a portion of those losses. The S&P, however, finished lower by 18 points, while the Nasdaq, which was down about 100 points or so earlier in the session, finished lower by 59, bouncing off that upsloping 20. The Russell, however, did finish lower by almost 15 points. And this is the one to watch. This is the one that after a very, very strong rally and a move back above that 20-period moving average, now today put in a bearish engulfing setup, which is a traditional reversal signal here. Question is, can it hold that 20-period moving average? If it cannot and comes back below, I think there is a very, very significant chance that we break these lows. And these are some very solid, some very solid support here. But I think if we don't hold that 20, I think we have a real strong chance of breaking below here, and that takes the market with it, I believe. But too early to tell. We'll see what the next few days bring. Now, gold and bonds today rallied hard. TLT up over 2 points, closing at their highs, and once again taking out another high here with momentum behind it. I think this continues to roll. I think there's a real strong chance we close this gap here and end up moving to the 130-ish area, while gold, after breaking out of that channel that it had been in, that sideways range, after breaking out last week, we continue to roll today, putting in another bullish pattern here with the strong candle closing at its highs. Crude oil also rallying strong today on news that refineries in Texas started to operate again, but as Hurricane Harvey moves out, Hurricane Irma, now a Category 5 storm, moving in. Models are very unpredictable at this point. Still don't know exactly where this is going to hit, if it does hit land. But at this point, there is a chance that it not only hits Florida, but actually moves back into the Gulf Coast. So keep an eye on that, as that will certainly affect the price of crude in the days ahead. So the important thing here heading into tomorrow is, I believe, the Russell 2000. And whether you're following IWM, which is the ETF of the Russell 2000, or whether you're watching the Russell 2000 futures chart, really doesn't matter. But if we break below these lows, and more importantly, break below that 20-period moving average, I think things turn ugly real quick. Having said that, if we can remain above there and actually break above today's highs, then that looks fairly positive. So the next couple of days will be very, very important. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.